from Nigeria.
What are you doing in Ghana?
I came to see you. Until you come to the National Theatre, Accra, today evening to watch a country called Ghana. That's when I will see you very properly.
I know your face.
You know my face. We are now in a country called Ghana. People ask why Nigerians, why this? Let them come to the premiere and they will know why. They'll come and find out why. And they will see why. And they will know why.
My name is Francis Odega, but you call me Mr. Girara here, man. I'm saying if you don't come, that means you're an EP, aka enemy of progress.
It's all about a country called Ghana, our very own Kwadwo and Cancer Lilwin, or no, and a producing movie. Now, him say a movie ni mo Ghana, any Nigeria na etimi apa, or mo de movie one was we a day ababontina. Trailer no kwenya ababontin nipa bebere na person mo kwhwe movie no na 17th May 2024. And a movie no ombe pa hontoma ewo National Theatre ebo no nsia na 6 p.m. pepepe na dwumedie no ahyehye so na oba Ghana mu ha Nigeria fo nwanwaso ana se Nigeria cast omo nso ka movie no abepie mu ewo omanga na mu ha ne no ana nanopa omukopie mu ewo eye chairman general Kwame Sifakan issue so na omode omamane ene butaye omode ba omanga na mu ha eto chairman enim no omukiri mu se no kura ne nyame enim ne bu nsamatiko omo se Ghana ye movie atete apansama dwie ntontodiem ti samwako ne edu enti bo mo ba nyina ne se omo betimi abse ne Ghana ye movie betimi akwa chirichiri ne bencheye na enu mu bi mu nso mo sere Ghana fo nyina free chirichiri bencheye se mo mera na mo betwa mo ni so mpire mo mera mehwe movie bi na bibie ntumi enu peyo na movie no kura ye hye den hye ase no asrezem e course wo studio ho ene ne ma mpanifo kan eja wadwo nya asem ketwa na yempo so wo ha yenkoti mpanifo nsem ne bi emera ne ba yatwa so before we go video ni bi e de aban mekanfo Abigail Moatin e de ama say Abigail ye digital marketing expert Abigail ebe nam digital business so akere okwan obefa so ye bi enye sika de egu botom ese ohu to bi enye sika online a digital business na say aba itifa Abigail number na da screen as test no WhatsApp no and start +1 register within new phone number on the website Moatin Abigail online obeto no boas ya contact na bibia atumi edimo titiriu ene mo amwa bruchiri ne amanfo manso adwuma we betumi abe your side job wherever you are, wherever you find yourself we betumi control e wo babia wo bia na bibia atumi edimo ebusua yenkoti mpanimfo nsem ne bi emera.
A country called Ghana. Sir, what's your name?
My name is Sir Victor Osuagu.
Sir Victor
Osuagu.
Osuagu.
Yeah, from Nigeria.
What are you doing in Ghana?
I came to see you.
I'm seeing you now, so tell me what you want.
Are you sure you're seeing me?
I think so.
Until you come to the National Theatre, Accra, today evening to watch a country called Ghana. That's when I will see you very properly.
What is a Nigerian doing in a movie called A Country Called Ghana?
Thank you. I love that language. We are talking about African story. We are talking about African history.
Great.
And it goes back to a long way. Though I wouldn't want to dive into the story, because when I do that, people like you now will not want to come and watch the premiere. But then it will be nice and proper that people come and see this particular movie and why Nigerians were involved in it. Because if I tell you why Nigerians are involved in it,
then I won't come and see
you will not come.
True. So, Sir Victor, is this your first time in Ghana?
No. But this movie was the first time I made a movie here in Ghana.
Ghanaians and Nigerians are like first cousins.
Yeah.
It is strange that there are countries between us, but every time we hop over them and then we connect.
How do you hop? By jogging or by jumping?
By flying. So, Sir Victor is here, and who is this?
Who is this?
Yeah, you.
This person who is this is Charles Awurum.
I know your face.
You know my face.
You have a head like mine, or I have a head like yours.
No.
So we are head
Your
mates.
own is like the moon.
Then yours is like close to the moon.
I can't have a head like your own. Your own is like the moon.
If the two of you have the same head, which means you are headlights.
We are headlights. How are you, my brother?
I'm good, my brother. I'm good. I'm
Great.
happy being here. We are now in a country called Ghana.
Great.
People ask why Nigerians, why this? Let them come to the premiere and they will know why. That why remains in the evening. They'll come and find out why, and they will see why, And they will know why.
And then they will not ask why.
They will never ask why again.
Because they have seen why.
Yeah, because they know why. So that's the point. That's the point. No need. We came to Ghana to shoot, and we have shot. So let them come and see it.
Great.
It's good.
Lilwin, Papa is your friend, say?
Francis Odega.
What are you doing in the movie?
My name is Francis Odega, but you call me Mr. Girara here, man. I'm saying, actually, I'm not part of the
We
movie.
call you Mr. Girara here, you know what I'm saying?
Roll, man. That's how we roll, man. That's how we roll.
So if you're not in the movie, what are you doing here?
Yeah, I came to Ghana to see my friends, to support them. I wasn't actually part of the movie, A Country Called Ghana.
So you're a supporter?
I'm a supporter.
Supporter, which one?
I'm their fans. Lil Win, I've been his fan all along because I've known him for in a very long time.
Oh, I see.
Yes, that's why so I came to give my support and of course to ask people to please come support us too this evening at the National Theatre for the premiere of the movie.
So you're a supporters union president.
And I want to say this: if you don't come, that means you're an EP, aka enemy of progress. So you need to be there.
To be there.
Support Lil Win and support my brothers and support all the other cast and crew of the movie.
I see. Now, my headmate, tell me, why should I come there? Why? What is exciting about it? What is that pull factor for you?
Why you should come there is because I'm in the movie. Since I'm your headmate, you come and see what your headmate did in the movie. You just have to come and see me. And no,
yes.
I keep saying this why. This why started immediately we came into Ghana.
Good.
And it will end today.
7 p.m. National Theatre, today 17th May. A Country Called Ghana. Produced by Kwejon Cancer Lilwin. Now, Lilwin, you see if we Accra Osandi Kumasi.
Bacho ayin daddy.
Dabe.
Kumasi 25th of this month.
Next week Saturday.
Bacho ayin.
Away.
CCB Orotono, KNUST.
Oh no, so papa.
After Kumasi we go to Sunyani. 1st June. Hotel Cinema.
Now they now Franco Nigeria.
After my Ghana, Meko, Kombo movie say Ghana for many movie by Philia. This is a code the whole regions. Because see a movie in Ghana for a somono. As a Ghana blaster cover match, na Ghana for your ditchy, a co support. It been a bay movie. And to come as my first son will be a near say all 16 regions, no, or some coba be a not obia team. And yes, sir, after Premier no Kumasi na Accra Sunyano, who baby a beam.
Okay.
YouTube, TV biaso. Just say a copy on Netflix and other platform or outside. And also you be a baby away. The same facunya was to be the whole regions no. Now be a team maybe okay. Na utimi a casempa. No love on Saba for the movie industry as high.
Okay. So supporter, what are your final comments?
My final comment is that I want everybody to be there. Like I said, if you're not there,
you are EP.
You're an EP, and I'm gonna tell you something. You do me a favor, please, and get out of here.
Sir Victor, any other comments?
Well, I want to call on all Ghanaians and all the neighboring countries very close to Ghana, because this is a story of Africa. It's not just a Ghanaian story, it's a story of Africa. That's why when you ask about how Nigeria came into being, it's a story of Africa. These are part of the history. So wherever you are, just find time and come to the National Theatre Accra and see the movie called A Country Called Ghana.
Super. Lilwin, then Abeka de Chato.
Apa de mekanya say Yankopon shira Ghana fo nyina obia sport movie love na Ghana fo ya chere mani ajipa. I really appreciate. Na shame crying. And we said the next ejuma so me no say metime ye ejuma e besa chen A Country Called Ghana. And kwa Canada. The next one is a journey to Africa. Commercial, no later.
All right, guys, thank you very much, and we'll see you later tonight.
God bless you.
Right, so A Country Called Ghana, Lil Win's new movie, and you may also National Theatre at 7 p.m.
Abusia na de so e wo Peace FM Chairman General Kwamsi Fakan issue so eno no ani enya asem keto akorenti no senam di kan kan enne enumere di ampaye bedwa e wo National Theatre me meko hobi ye mpanimfo bibiri na nso ebeba ho 17 February ne ya Friday bo no nsi anase 6 pm na enya asem keto enti enyina fidikasi so na ye ma kwadwo nkansa ye ma ne se ware ade papa so wotumi puti this great initiative waka mpanimfo ni Ghana fo abom ene Nigeria fo sene bibia betumi awie pɛ a eno ho kakra na yakwakotie ede abana ebekoso de ene adi nzem na gidi ebepim bia ba no ebe mahwefo ene etiefo nso ebehu de ekone de ba mesro so ba no subscribe no ahye na busua na tumi akoso ayekese before ebekra mo amiakon me kanfo Charistic Company Limited in reference Zaramisha ana zaraje capsules de ama say eba infection bacteria oba edum fijikwaji wa yasi tumi ka odwimoja chese efulo ewo nzabu wonum no emma esanba totota mpanifo chirim se betumi asan be jawo yade eno na obetumi anya fibroid ewo brofkase be friends menstrual disorder infertility ulcer prostate problems or baby wa oni atenka mpanifo se be dio mundu bi na oye be ma afo aso fe mi se zaman capsules ye memma duro tatahwe be ma ode bo anitim keja ode oba okomtwi bi ana so girlfriend o yere ekompemu a sisie na chese ode abani a penifo se koso mundu bi enahwe hindi heba me chanso eba 3 day yale malaria fever typhoid diabetes or blood pressure no ekosora penifo se kwadwo mundu bi edroi FDA ahwem agye atum se eye opendu etu akofomase heba stores ebe won se be penifo ndo bi ebia na opemu nchiremu mu nsim bi se delivery so na open penifo numbers no ana egu screen so frɛ na bibie ntumi inimu mesre wo so ba no subscribe wa share wa comment efi baabi a wohwe efi nebusu na tumi akoso ayekese nyame ayadoma dasenne ibidi ahye mu makra